Richmond Tan. Richmond captured the attention of future generations that appreciate greenery by introducing the topic of carnivorous plants. Last but not least.
Wow, time flies. That was like 10 years ago when I was 24 years old. It was my proudest moment and also my most embarrassing moment in my entire life. I was so nervous receiving that ambassador award that I almost walked away without a photograph. And the Prime Minister had to pull me back. And he actually whispered to me, like, what's the hurry? So I was so nervous, right? So, well, who is not nervous when you are receiving an award from the Prime Minister? So, when I received my award in 2009, I was the youngest ever to receive this prestigious award. So all the others recipients, all the other ambassadors, they were in their 50s and most are all retired. So everyone else was like uh, 2 times my age. So being the youngest ambassador, I got a lot more opportunities to like engage the younger gardeners. I did a lot more talks, a lot more workshops in schools and in libraries, and I do talks that are very specifically interest the young adults, like office gardening or creative gardening and the container gardening, which are all the very trendy kind of gardening that the youngsters, the younger generation will want to do. So I was nominated to become the ambassador, right, because of my contributions to promote gardening. Before that, I was an active member on the Singapore biggest online gardening forum called Green Culture Singapore. Right, those were the days where you don't have Facebook as so popular. Right, you don't have Facebook groups. Right, it's always the online forum with threads and posts and things like that. So that's where I got to know a lot of friends. I got to conduct a lot of talks to share my knowledge. So soon I got involved in many different kind of projects like setting up community gardens, right? Doing a lot more workshops specifically for certain types of certain groups of people. And all these projects got bigger and I got more talks and influencing a lot of people. Right? So that's how I really become a gardening ambassador. And this trophy that I received is very heavy. Right? I often joke that it is a very heavy responsibility upon me. Right? Even today, after 10 years, I'm still an ambassador. Right? I continue to do a lot of talks, I do a lot of workshops to impact a lot more people. Right? With this YouTube channel, I am able to reach more people. So my mission is to help and impact 1 million people right, around the world to help them to become better gardeners. And more importantly, help everyone to enjoy gardening. And from what I observed from my students and talking to thousands of gardeners that I met, right, most people approach gardening in the wrong way. Right? Gardening is not a skill-based or experience-based activity, right? It is not about keep trying, learn from mistakes, and going to a school of hard knocks. And after 10 years, then you become a very successful gardener because you make all the mistakes you can make, and then you gain the experience and you become a good gardener, right? To me, I think gardening is more about knowledge-based activity. The more you know, the better you understand the plants, you better understand the growing environment, the more successful you are. Right? It is possible, right? Definitely possible to become good at gardening or become a gardening masters in less than 2 years. Right? You can see, right, there are many successful gardeners who are like in their early 20s or even 17 or 18 years old. Right? They definitely don't have decades of experience, right? So it is about the knowledge, right? It's always about knowledge over skills. Right? So I want to reach as many people as possible to show them the way, right? Show them the right way. Right? So in the next few months, I will be publishing a book on Amazon, right? Which I will put everything I know in a simple and easy to learn book. Right? So stay tuned. Right? I will put up new information when it's closer to the launch date. Okay, so also because of my time is limited, I can't just do workshops all the time. Right? My workshops sometimes can get really popular, and the last time I did, I had a long waiting list. So I was thinking about setting up an online course, right? Online self-paced course, so that anyone around the world can learn from me, right? From their own home, from the comfort of their own home. Right? If this is something you are interested in, then comment below. Right? I want to create something that is useful for you and not something that you find it not as useful, right? So before that, if you want to learn more and want to find out how to become a better or become a new generation gardener, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, because every week I will upload 3 new videos to help you. So go on, click on the subscribe button below and join me on my mission, on my journey to create and to impact 1 million successful gardeners. I will see you again in my next video.